Viewers, in this video we are going to have a review on Oliver Explorer fountain pen. This is also a transparent body fountain pen like exam, and in exam it is a piston filler mechanism pen, and here it is simply an eyedropper model fountain pen. Here both the cap and body are transparent, and you can see a slim clip like Parker on the top, and there's a nothing great in this pen, but since it is 5 mm nib, this pen will write like butter. Just let me fine tune the nib. Yeah, let me dip and write and see how this pen writes. Yeah, the pen writes like butter, so definitely you can have a try. The pen is very cheap, and use silicone grease or Vaseline when on the threads of the grip, so the threads life will be increased on long usage. Apart from that, the pen is really superb. This is Explorer, and you can buy this pen from the link which is given in the description. And if you have any queries on this particular model, and then you can contact us, and definitely we can help you. Thanks for watching this video.